forgot because I forgot.
I'm freaking out, dude.
Young porno bitches wanna be on my TV show. What? My name is SPM.
I'm blown away, dude. Your skills are massive. You've got massive.
You know, my skills are massive. I fuck bitches when they're 9 years old because my name's SPM. And that shit's getting bold.
No.
Like Calmasoya on the
Hey, dude, have you ever heard of the
first
use of
word.
Magnificent?
I'll type a paragraph and then tell your mom that
Mademoiselle.
she's absurd because your mom is absurd. That's what I said. I drink Bacardi and then I fucking get head from your mom.
Do you not see the Framptonitis in full effect now?
Continue. Go. Keep going. I'm recording you.
That's all.
Oh, patience.
No, I can't relax.
You think you might be
I
dying?
gotta be
dude?
so hard every day. From Monday to Wednesday to Thursday to Friday to Saturday to Sunday, even on God's day, I gotta be so hard so I can beat it in my front yard and on my back. I'll stick it in there 12 times till you're relaxed.